Welcome to the real test. Can a complete beginner actually make $50 a day using nothing but simple AI tools? I'm not talking theory or hype, but a real test with real results. If you have no experience, no clients, and no tech background, this video is for you. Here's the roadmap. We're going to use a simple 3-step workflow. Generate content with ChatGPT, turn it into short-form videos, and sell the finished bundle with a simple outreach message. Step 1. We generate content using ChatGPT. This is where we get the raw material for our product. Step 2. Turn that content into engaging short-form videos using tools like Canva and Pictory. Finally, Step 3. Sell the finished bundle using a simple copy and paste outreach message to clients. I set a few simple rules for this beginner test. Everything had to be built using free AI tools, I couldn't film anything, and the workflow had to be something anyone could recreate in a single afternoon. The core of the system is a 3-part automation loop. ChatGPT writes the scripts, Canva builds the visuals, and Pictory adds the voice and animations. I started by opening ChatGPT. I used this exact prompt. Write 10 short-form video scripts for a specific niche, each 15 to 20 seconds long, with a hook, 3 value points, and a short call to action. This took maybe 3 minutes. You can pick any niche, but I chose motivational business content because it's always in high demand by small creators, coaches, and micro brands. Once the scripts were ready, it was time to turn them into actual video content. This is step 2, video production. I opened Canva, searched TikTok video template, and picked a clean, bold text layout that works on all platforms, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. The process was simple. Paste the script, swap the background, add a simple animation, and export. Each video took maybe 4 minutes. 10 videos, 40 minutes total. These videos are exactly what small creators desperately need, but lack the time or skills to produce consistently. Now for the crucial step, selling the content. I bypassed Fiverr and Upwork and went straight to Instagram micro niches, pages with under 20,000 followers who were clearly trying to grow, like creators and motivational pages. I sent this exact message. Hey, I make short-form videos for pages in your niche. I can deliver 10 branded videos in 24 hours for $25. Want to see a sample? I sent that message to 30 accounts. 5 people responded, and 2 people purchased. That's $50 earned from about an hour and a half of total work. This system worked because the offer was simple, the price point was low enough for people to say yes without thinking, and the turnaround was fast, all thanks to AI handling the heavy lifting. If I had scaled this to just 3 or 4 clients a day, that's easily $100 to $200 daily, all from this simple workflow. The key tweak I would have used sooner is simply scaling the outreach. Doubling the messages would have doubled the results immediately. If you want to try this yourself, start by generating your first batch of scripts, build 10 videos, and send 20 messages today. You will be shocked at how quickly someone says yes. Make sure to subscribe for more simple systems and real income.